Today I'm going to show you another woodworking project that's simple to build and easy to sell. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is a piece of wood like this. So just take it. Anyway, I'll just be using a marker to trace out some shapes. Also, later in this video, I have a cool trick for you that you probably never seen. You're probably wondering what I'm building by now, but in a minute it'll be obvious. Now I'm just going to drill some holes with a 1/2-inch drill bit. And of course the battery is dead. Unfortunately, my blade on my bandsaw is broken, so I had to do this the more dangerous way. I don't recommend you do it this way, and that you have something supporting the wood on both sides when you're cutting it. Make sure to like and subscribe, or I'll put pineapple on your pizza. Now we'll go ahead and sand everything down. Now we'll go ahead and just round off any corners. And here's what they should look like, but I'm going to add a little twist to them. Now just take your leftover piece of scrap wood from earlier and start at the 1-inch mark right here and the 2-inch mark. Just mark those. First, I'll just cut one straight piece. Now we'll cut a second piece. Turn the piece of wood around. Just make sure to clamp it down. Now I'll just adjust my miter saw to 20 degrees so I can cut the wood at a 20-degree angle. And this is how it should look. It should have a 20-degree angle on the end. Once you're done with that, take some wood glue and glue this to here, right here. And then take the piece with the 20-degree angle on it and glue it to the back of here. In just a second, I'm going to show you a special trick that you probably never seen before using coffee. Now I'll just let everything dry for a couple of hours. And if you want to buy the thing that I'm building in this video, it's in the description. Coffee makes a great wood stain because it's natural and it's food safe, and most people already have it around their house.